today, like I said in my previous video, in my introduction video, if you haven't seen it yet, go watch that so that you know exactly what I'd be doing now. But I'm going to tell you anyway. So, today I'm going to be making a 2019 goal vision board. So, I'm going to be putting all my goals down for 2019. And I'm going to make it into a vision board. So today I have with me, I have a list of all my goals. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 different goals, and it's good to write it down so you know what everything you would need. So usually with vision boards, you get to use magazines. You're supposed to use magazines, but I didn't have any magazines, so I went to Walmart, and since I had already made my list, I just printed out a couple of pictures so my vision board can look like, you know, like an actual vision board with magazines, because I didn't have any pictures and I just didn't want it to all be words. So I have my list, I have my pictures, I have my board. I got this from Walmart. It was like $3 because it's the hard one, but you can also use a poster board. It doesn't really matter. A poster board is cheaper anywhere. They're like $1.99 or something. But I like the hard boards because they're not flimsy, and so I can really do it. I had accidentally got blue, so, and I don't like blue, I like white. So I'm just gonna flip it over and I'm just gonna take this tag off. And I didn't notice when I bought it. I thought the blue side was the bag, so I don't know. And then I have my colored pencils. You can use colored pencils. I also have Sharpies. And this is like my little coloring kit that I had got from Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, Michael's, I mean. And it has like markers, crayons in the middle, highlighters, and fine tip black markers, and a ruler. But you don't have to go to Michael's to buy that. You can just use like regular markers or something. And so yeah, so I also have scissors just in case. Like if you do want to use magazines, you can, and you can cut the pictures off with scissors. And I also have these to cut just in case I want to cut them. I don't think I want to cut any of these pictures though. But yeah, so I'm gonna start by taking my what is this? The tag. Oh, by the way, you guys, this is a 20 by 30 by 16 inch. That's what it says. Yeah, so I think that's the size, 20 by 30. So for the first thing, I'm going to put a title. I'm going to put a title right at the top of my vision board, and I'm just going to name it probably goals of 2019. Make sure you put a 9 out of 8. It take me a long time to get used to the 8. Do I want to use Sharpies? Oh, I also brought a pencil just in case. Oh, right here. So I can trace first. Okay, so now that I have my title down on here, I don't know if I should color it. I don't know. I probably might color it after I'm done putting the pictures on. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with the pictures that I have. My first goal of I wouldn't say my first goal, I'm not gonna say them in order, but one of the goals that I do wanna accomplish is to get my own apartment. So I printed out a picture of just somebody's random apartment that I found on Google. And so I have like decorative tape. So I'm just gonna take this onto the board. Okay, and my second goal is to travel. So I printed out a picture of an airplane. I'm not sure where I want to travel to, but I know I do want to. I was thinking about going to like Miami or going to on a cruise ship to like the Bahamas or maybe California. I don't know, but I know I do want to travel or go somewhere like I was out of state this year, because I know for my year 2018 I went to Ohio. But that's just close by. I want to go somewhere like for real travel. So I'm gonna put this on here. Okay, my next one is I guess this is like, to me, this is like a symbol of peace. I don't know if you can really see it that good. I don't know if you can see any of these pictures because I'm probably too far from the camera, but yeah, this is a picture of a girl doing yoga on the beach. I love the beach, especially going like when the sun is starting to set on the beach. And to me, yoga is like it's like supposed to be a super calming exercise. And so I want to learn like different types of yoga poses, and I would like to do this on a beach, because to me, one of my goals is to find peace. So I want to find peace within myself, and I think that this would really help me find peace. So I'm going to put this one on here. Okay, and for my last picture, I don't know if you guys have seen the SpongeBob SquarePants movie, but this is when Mr. Krabs didn't let SpongeBob get the manager's position in the movie, but in the end, when you watch the whole movie, he ended up getting the manager's position. And to me, I work on campus, on my campus. You know, like I said, I go to NIU, and I work at the Dog Pound Deli. It's like a sandwich shop, and because our mascot is a husky, which is a dog, which is why we call it the Dog Pound Deli. And yeah, I wanted to get the manager's position, so this is why I have SpongeBob holding up the manager's pen, and he's jumping because he finally got the position. So this is another one of my goals of 2019. So I'm gonna put that one on here. Okay, those are all the pictures that I have, and the rest, I'm just gonna write it down like in a nice cute font or something, and I'm just gonna put that on here because I don't have any more pictures. I didn't print all the pictures out that I wanted to do, but I did some because I wanted some to be some words. So I'm just gonna write the rest of my goals on the board, and when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys like basically all the words that I put on here, and then I'm gonna just decorate the board. And then when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys the finished product. So, yeah, I'll be doing that. Okay, so I finally finished my vision board. This is the finished product. This is what it looks like. And I guess I can tell you guys all the things that I have on here. Well, you can't really see, but, well, yeah, you can, but I can't see. So, all right. So this one right here is love. This one is promotions, benefits, and salary increases. This is joy, purpose, creativity, confidence, change, new opportunities, financial security, passion, knowledge, apartment, and spiritual growth and peace. And those are my goals of 2019. And I really look forward to accomplishing as many as I can within a year. And hopefully I can do that. Those are all of the goals. And I hope you guys can make some great goals as well and be able to accomplish as many as you can. Yeah, and that is it for this video. So comment below what you guys think about this DIY. Thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and turn on my notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And I should be uploading a new video next week if I can. All right, thank you, bye.